Hello, welcome to Life on Pig Row, and today we're sowing sweet peas. We're sowing Beaujolais and Miss Wilmot, and I'm going to show you how to do that now. This year we're trialling two seed composts, one from Dalefoot, which is a wool compost for seeds, and one from Carbon Gold, which is a biochar seed compost. We'd like to thank them for supplying this for review. The idea for this is simple, isn't it, Dee?
Yeah.
What we're going to do is we're going to do 2 pots of wool compost, 2 pots of biochar, and then we're going to compare as they grow. So this is the Dalefoot wool compost, and how you sow is very simple. Take a pen or a dibber. What you need to do is make 1, 2, 3 holes like so, and obviously you need 3 seed. And you just pop them in. 1, 2, 3. And then don't forget to label. We'll show you the labels at the end. Next is the biochar compost. And they're very much alike in texture. I would say that the wool compost from Dalefoot is lighter, which comes in handy for people like me who have a disability and can't lift very well. But let's sow our Beaujolais again. So again, 3 holes and in with the seed. 1, 2, 3, and we'll label this Bio. And now a musical interlude, A Knight's Tale by Philip Spark.
Thank you.
So that's the sweet peas on the windowsill after watering, and we'll keep an eye on them for the next few weeks. Until next time, it's bye bye from Life on Pig Row, and don't forget to like and subscribe.